Hey everyone, today we'll be tackling about how to become a successful freelance copywriter. If you have ever dreamed of becoming a successful freelance copywriter, you are in the right place. In this free copywriting course, I am going to guide you step by step, sharing the 20 years of experience to help you kickstart your journey. Even if you are a total beginner, let us jump right in. Section number 1: Unveiling the Art of Copywriting. First and foremost, let us unravel the essence of copywriting. At its core, copywriting is not just stringing together of words. It is a meticulous art form, a dance with language designed to elicit specific actions. Copywriter assumes the role of a linguistic architect, intricately constructing sentences that serve not only to convey information, but also to kindle the sparks of curiosity and desire. It is a harmonious blend of creativity and strategy, where every word is a brushstroke on the canvas of persuasion. In the vast realm of marketing, copywriting stands as a guiding light, steering potential customers through a narrative that intimately resonates with their needs and aspirations. Beyond the superficial goal of selling a product or service, copywriting is a narrative weaver, crafting stories that captivate hearts and minds. It transforms passive onlookers into active participants in the unfolding saga of a brand. From the concise allure of a headline to the immersive narrative of a landing page, copywriting serves as the silent force propelling the wheels of consumer engagement across diverse platforms. As we peer into the intricacies of copywriting, it becomes apparent that it transcends the boundaries of mere text manipulation. It is a psychological dance, a delicate ballet of words orchestrated to influence human behavior. Copywriters don the hat of not just wordsmiths but also psychologists, understanding the nuances of consumer psychology to tailor messages that resonate on a deep emotional level. The strategic placement of persuasive elements, the artful use of storytelling, and the mastery of rhetorical devices all contribute to the alchemy of compelling copy. Moreover, copywriting is a dynamic discipline that adapts to the ever-evolving landscape of communication. In the digital age, where attention spans are fleeting, copywriters navigate the challenges of capturing and maintaining attention amidst the noise of information overload. Whether crafting captivating social media captions, attention-grabbing email subject lines, or compelling blog content, the copywriter is a versatile storyteller who must stay attuned to the pulse of the audience and the trends that shape their preferences. In essence, copywriting is not just about selling a product, it is about creating an experience, building a connection, and fostering a relationship between the brand and its audience. It is the unseen hand that guides the reader through a journey, leaving an indelible mark that extends beyond the immediate transaction. As we delve deeper into the layers of this art, we discover that copywriting is not just a skill. It is a dynamic interplay of language, psychology, and adaptability, shaping the narrative of brands in the ever-evolving tapestry of marketing. Section 2: Crushing AI Myths. Let us dive into the realm of AI myths and debunk some common concerns. One prevailing question that often arises is whether AI will replace the craft of copywriting. The unequivocal response to this concern is a resounding no. It is crucial to understand why certain aspects of the human touch, such as creativity, empathy, and profound understanding of the audience, are irreplaceable in the world of copywriting. This reassurance should instill confidence that AI is unlikely to snatch away the role of a copywriter anytime soon. Creativity, a quintessential aspect of copywriting, is a uniquely human trait that involves thinking outside the proverbial box, infusing originality and capturing the essence of a brand in a way that resonates with the audience. While AI can certainly assist in generating content based on patterns and data, the intuitive leaps, emotional nuances, and innovative twists that define human creativity remain beyond its reach. Copywriting is an art form, and the artist's touch of ingenuity plays a pivotal role in crafting messages that stand out in a sea of information. Empathy is another facet where humans excel and AI falls short. Understanding the emotions, desires, and concerns of the audience is a nuanced skill that requires a deep connection with human experiences. Copywriters bring a personal touch, an empathic understanding of the audience needs, aspirations, and pain points that goes beyond the capabilities of AI algorithms. The ability to tap into the human psyche, to feel the pulse of emotions, and to weave narratives that genuinely resonate stems from the empathetic core of a human writer. Moreover, the intricate dance of understanding the audience is a dynamic interplay that involves not just data analysis, but a profound comprehension of human behavior. Copywriting is about more than demographics and statistical trends. It is about understanding the subtle shifts in cultural dynamics, staying attuned to societal changes, and adapting messages to align with the evolving expectations of the audience. This depth of understanding requires the nuanced perception that only a human mind can provide, ensuring that the messages crafted are not just data-driven but emotionally resonant. In essence, while AI can be a valuable tool in the copywriter's arsenal, it is not a replacement for the irreplaceable human elements of creativity, empathy, and nuanced audience understanding. Copywriters can leverage AI to streamline process, analyze data, and generate insights, but the artistry of crafting compelling narratives that forge genuine connections with the audience remain firmly within the realm of human expertise. So rather than viewing AI as a threat, copywriters can embrace it as a collaborative ally, harnessing its capabilities to amplify their own unique strengths in the ever-evolving landscape of copywriting. Section 3. Exploring lucrative copywriting jobs. Now, let us navigate the diverse avenues within the lucrative realm of copywriting careers, recognizing the significance of choosing the path that aligns with your aspirations. The spectrum includes freelancing, in-house positions, and agency roles, each offering distinct advantages and considerations. Understanding these dynamics is pivotal in steering your career towards a fulfilling trajectory. Embarking on the path of freelancing grants writers a remarkable degree of flexibility and the ability to work with a myriad of clients. The freedom to choose projects and set your own schedule can be empowering, fostering a sense of autonomy. However, freelancers often grapple with income fluctuations as the ebb and flow of client projects can lead to unpredictable financial stability. Navigating this terrain requires not just writing prowess, but also adept business skills to manage client relationships, negotiate rates, and ensure a steady flow of projects. Contrastingly, in-house copywriters find themselves nestled within the stability of a single organization, enjoying benefits such as job security, consistent income, and often a supportive team environment. However, the trade-off comes in the form of potential longing for more variety. The daily tasks may become routine, and the desire for diverse projects or industries may spark a yearning for a broader creative landscape. It is a balancing act, and the decision to opt for in-house roles hinges on one's preference for stability and a deeper immersion in a singular brand. Meanwhile, agency copywriters plunge into a dynamic pool of diverse projects, working on campaigns for various clients. This exposure offers a rich tapestry of experiences, honing versatility and adaptability. However, the high-pressure nature of agency life, with tight deadlines and juggling multiple clients, can be a double-edged sword. The adrenaline rush of variety comes hand in hand with the challenge of managing workload intensity. Agency copywriters must thrive in fast-paced environments, turning pressure into fuel for creativity. Ultimately, the key lies in finding the professional niche that resonates with your individual strengths, preferences, and career goals. Whether you opt for the autonomy of freelancing, the stability of an in-house position, or the dynamic challenges of agency life, each path offers a unique blend of opportunities and challenges. It is about discovering where your passion intersects with practical considerations, creating a career that not only pays the bills but also fulfills your creative aspirations. So as you navigate the expansive landscape of copywriting careers, remember that the right fit is not just a job but a tailored expression of your professional identity. Section number 4. Decoding copywriting rates. Now, let us delve into the crucial realm of copywriting rates, a topic that often sparks interest and, at times, uncertainty. Money talk is indeed an essential aspect, especially for freelancers who navigate a landscape where rates can vary significantly. Let us break down the numbers, demystify in-house and agency copywriter salaries, and highlight why understanding your worth is paramount for thriving in the freelance world. Get ready to embark on a journey of effectively pricing your valuable skills. Freelancers, with their autonomy and diverse client base, have the opportunity to set their own rates. However, this freedom comes with the responsibility of determining a fair and competitive price for their services. Factors such as experience, Niche expertise and the complexity of projects play a pivotal role in shaping freelance rates. Deciphering this equation requires a keen awareness of industry standards, market demand, and the value you bring to the table. Striking the right balance ensures that your pricing reflects both your expertise and the market dynamics, setting the stage for a thriving freelance career. On the other hand, in-house copywriters often operate with a more structured framework, with salaries determined by the employing organization, while the stability and benefits are appealing. Understanding the average salary range for in-house positions in your region and industry is crucial for negotiating a fair compensation package. Recognizing the value of your skills and the unique contributions you bring to the organization empowers you to advocate for a salary that aligns with your experience and expertise. Agency copywriters find themselves in a dynamic environment where salaries may vary based on factors such as agency size, location, and individual experience. The allure of diverse projects and the fast-paced nature of agency life often come with competitive compensation. Navigating agency copywriting rates involves researching industry standards, understanding the agency's client portfolio, and showcasing how your skills contribute to the success of multifaceted campaigns. Effectively communicating your value positions you for negotiations that reflect the dynamic nature of your role. In essence, whether you are a freelancer, an in-house copywriter, or part of an agency, understanding your worth in the market is pivotal. It is not just about the numbers on paper. It is about recognizing the unique blend of skills, creativity, and expertise you bring to the table. As you embark on the journey of decoding copywriting rates, remember that pricing your skills effectively is not just a financial transaction, but a strategic assertion of your value in the ever-evolving landscape of the writing profession. Section number 5. Essential qualities of a copywriter. Now, let us unravel the layers of what it takes to become a standout copywriter, a journey that transcends mere wordsmithing. It is a holistic package deal, a fusion of various qualities that collectively shape the essence of a proficient copywriter. I will guide you through the essential qualities that pave the way for success in this dynamic field, encompassing everything from impeccable communication and research skills to the innate sparks of creativity and unwavering attention to detail. Brace yourself for the transformative journey as we explore what it truly means to embody the qualities of a complete copywriting professional. At the core of the copywriting craft lies the bedrock of excellent communication skills. Beyond the art of constructing sentences, a standout copywriter is a master communicator who can distill complex ideas into compelling, accessible narratives. This skill extends beyond just writing. It involves understanding the nuances of effective communication across various platforms. And tailoring messages to resonate with diverse audiences. Clear, concise, and persuasive communication is the cornerstone upon which successful copywriting endeavors are built. Research prowess is another indispensable quality that elevates a copywriter from the ordinary to the extraordinary. In the world of copywriting, knowledge is power. Thorough research not only ensures the accuracy of information, but also empowers the copywriter to speak directly to the needs and desires of the target audience. It involves delving into market trends, understanding the intricacies of the product service, and uncovering the unique selling propositions that set a brand apart. The ability to immerse oneself in research is a distinguishing trait that fuels the creation of content that resonates and captivates. Creativity, often hailed as the heartbeat of copywriting, is an inherent quality that sets exceptional copywriters apart. It is not just about thinking outside the box. It is about reimagining the entire landscape. A creative copywriter can turn mundane concepts into captivating narratives, injecting life and personality into every word. This ability to innovate, to craft messages that stand out amidst the noise, is the secret sauce that propels brands into the spotlight. Attention to detail, akin to a meticulous artisan honing their craft, is a quality that cannot be overstated. The devil resides in the details, and a single misplaced word or punctuation mark can alter the entire meaning of a message. A keen eye for detail ensures that every piece of copy is polished to perfection, free from grammatical errors and aligned with the brand's tone and style. It is the commitment to excellence that distinguishes a professional copywriter from the rest. In essence, becoming a standout copywriter is a multifaceted journey that demands a synthesis of these essential qualities. It is not just about mastering the art of words, it is about embodying the spirit of effective communication, the rigor of research, the sparks of creativity, and the precision of attention to detail. As you embrace these qualities, you will find yourself transforming into a complete copywriting professional, a storyteller, strategist, and communicator rolled into one. As we wrap up, get ready to transform your career. This free copywriting course is your gateway to success. Dive into the practical steps and tips I have prepared for you. Let us make your mark in the world of copywriting together. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to craft copywriting excellence, a step-by-step guide to launching your writing career. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you into the next one.